Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to move Google Photos to Gallery. So, firstly let me open my gallery, and right here, as you can see, my latest photo is this one. I have no more photos here. Now, we need to open Google Photos application, then select some photo. Let's say I wanna move this photo to my gallery. You can also set more than one photo, you can select them, it's up to you, but let's say I wanna move only one, this one. So, you need to, let me enter here, you need to click at the three dots, and then select download. Now, we should have it at the gallery. And yes, as you can see, this one is my latest photo right now. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!